Welcome to Zenscale. We'll walk you through the process of creating consumption and consumption return in your system. Click on Create Consumption. Select Date and click on Add Material. Search for the desired material and input the quantity needed. Add it. Don't forget to save it. Now, click Print to view and download the consumption document. Search for the relevant date for record keeping. View the consumption PDF to review the details. Now let's move on to create a consumption return. Click on Consumption Return. Select the consumption document number associated with the return. Choose the material for return and specify the quantity. Remember to save it. Now, click Print to view and download the consumption return document. Select the date for accurate record keeping. View the consumption return PDF to review the details. And there you have it. You've successfully processed the consumption creation and returns. Thanks for watching.